If you're someone who loves quick, easy and high protein fakeaway recipes, this Mongolian beef is for you. It is ready in minutes, absolutely delicious, and is so good for cooking midweek when you want something quick and easy that everyone will eat. First thing you're going to do is coat your steak in some corn flour. It doesn't need to be some fancy cut steak. I'm just using the cheap, quick cook frying steak from the supermarket, sliced up, and then we're going to make sure the corn flour is coating it nicely. Set that aside, then in a bowl, mix up your dark soy sauce, some reduced salt soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine or sherry. I actually use sherry because I didn't have any cooking wine. Stock, honey for sweetness, and then some sesame oil for that lovely toasty flavour, along with equal measures of garlic and ginger. Mix all that through, and then we're just going to set that aside. When it comes to cooking, I prefer using frying pan for this rather than a wok. It's got a bigger surface area, so I can get the pan hotter and get more of a colour on the steak. Anyway, we're going to heat the oil, high temperature, get the steak in and cook it until you get some colour on all the sides. So this will just take up to about 5 minutes if you're doing it really high. Then you just pour in the sauce along with some spring onions and then mix it through for about a minute. It should thicken up really quickly. If you're doing this with noodles, you could cook your noodles and then once they're cooked, add them into the sauce at this point and mix them all up and then serve it. Entirely up to you. But yeah, this will literally take about a minute to thicken up, not long at all.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Plate it up, garnish it with something green. I like the green part of spring onion and some sesame seeds, and get stuck in. As always, if you want the full recipe, you can find it inside my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!